Okay, working on the trunk struts or lifts. These supports failed. We had OEs. We just bought some random ones from Rock Auto. Maybe this helps. I think they were on like clearance or closeout or something. We got this model of these things. Stabilis Liftomat. Anyway, so it seemed like these were a little too long to get in, and there was just nothing we could do. You can't compress these things when they're working right, when they're factory new. You just can't get enough force on these things, not safely anyhow. So the trick on this car is there's a little pad. Would you pull that deck lid down just a little bit? This little guy here will just pop right out. And if you get a flathead screwdriver back here, and I was even able to wrap it in a microfiber, and it was still just thin enough I could get it back here, and you just pry this thing away just a little bit. It's got a minuscule tiny little tab right about at the midway point on either side, and this thing will just pop right out. That will allow this thing, and then up again, that will give that extra clearance it needs to elongate this thing and change the geometry such that a brand new strut will fit in here. So if you run into this, it's a bit of a nightmare if you don't know what this little thing is. And this pretty little piece of rubbery stuff just snaps right back in there. Good to go. Anyway, hopefully that helps someone out.